2026 Range Rover Glossy Black Luxury Redefined. The 2026 Range Rover in Glossy Black is a definition of modern luxury and power combined into one bold SUV. From the very first glance, this vehicle stands out with its deep, mirror-like black finish that reflects everything around it, giving it a premium and aggressive road presence. This isn't just a car, it's a statement of status, performance, and cutting-edge design. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Range Rover continues its iconic boxy yet elegant design, but with refined details that make it look even more futuristic. The glossy black paint enhances every curve and line, while the sleek LED headlights and signature grille add a modern touch. The large alloy wheels, finished in black with subtle metallic accents, perfectly complement the body, giving it a bold and sporty stance. The flush door handles and smooth surfaces improve aerodynamics while maintaining that clean luxury look. Step inside, and you are welcomed into a world of comfort and technology. The cabin of the 2026 Range Rover is crafted with premium materials such as soft leather, real with trims, and brushed aluminum. The ambient lighting adds a relaxing atmosphere, especially during night drives. The seats are not only heated and ventilated, but also come with massage functions, ensuring maximum comfort for both driver and passengers. The infotainment system is powered by the latest version of Pivi Pro, featuring a large curved touchscreen that is fast, responsive, and easy to use. You also get a fully digital driver display, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system that delivers crystal clear audio. Rear passengers are not left behind, as they get their own entertainment screens and climate controls. Under the hood, the 2026 Range Rover offers multiple engine options to suit different driving needs. The base model comes with a turbocharged inline-6 engine that delivers smooth performance and good fuel efficiency. For those who want more power, there's a V8 engine option that produces impressive horsepower and acceleration, making this large SUV feel surprisingly quick. Additionally, a plug-in hybrid variant is available, combining electric efficiency with traditional engine power for a more eco-friendly drive. Performance-wise, this SUV is built to handle all kinds of terrain. Thanks to its advanced all-wheel drive system and adaptive air suspension, the Range Rover can easily switch from city roads to off-road adventures. Whether you're driving through snow, sand, or rocky paths, this vehicle adapts automatically to provide maximum stability and control. Safety is another area where the 2026 Range Rover excels. It comes equipped with advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. These features not only enhance safety but also make driving easier and more enjoyable. Now, let's talk about pricing in the United States. The starting price of the 2026 Range Rover is expected to be around $110,000 for the base model. However, if you go for higher trims with more luxury features and a powerful V8 engine, the price can go up to $160,000 or even more depending on customization options. The Glossy Black Edition, with its premium finish and upgraded styling elements, may cost slightly higher due to its exclusive appearance package. In terms of models, the 2026 Range Rover is available in multiple trims, including SE, HSE, Autobiography, and the top-of-the-line SV model. Each trim level offers a different level of luxury, performance, and technology, allowing buyers to choose according to their preferences and budget. Overall, the 2026 Range Rover in Glossy Black is not just a luxury SUV. It's an experience. It combines elegance, power, and advanced technology in a way that very few vehicles can match. Whether you're looking for a comfortable daily driver, a powerful performance SUV, or a stylish statement vehicle, this Range Rover delivers on all fronts. If you're someone who values luxury, performance, and attention to detail, this SUV is definitely worth considering. The glossy black finish takes its visual appeal to the next level, making it one of the most eye-catching vehicles on the road today.